What's up, guys? It's a beautiful day, another amazing afternoon, as I bring to you another installment of Market Masters Out and About edition with myself from Top Trader Kenya. On this show, I sit with prominent traders in the industry where we have a chat on all things trading. So today, guys, I'm joined in the show by a very special guest, a friend and also a trader. So I'll allow him to introduce himself, pengine atuambie anaitwa nani na anafanya nini.
Hello people, my name is Ricky. I do trading like my full time thing, and on daily I do a cyber cafe job. So that is it.
Okay, thank you. So first of all, I'd like to appreciate your presence. I don't take it for granted sababu pia ni watu wengi unaweza waita na wakose kuja, but I also do understand that there is life before forex and there is life after forex. So what were you doing before forex?
Okay, like before I had this thing called forex around me. Yeah, life was going on. Actually, I was working in a cyber cafe. That's why I was exposed in this field of forex marketing. Yeah, I started with all-in trade. Yeah, binary option.
Okay.
So as things went by, a friend of mine came and told me, "Yo, you know what, bro? There's something greater than expert option. You have to understand how markets operate, blah blah blah." And then that's how I was exposed to forex trading.
That's nice. That's nice. And also, my people out here would like to maybe know when did you start this journey of a million miles? I wouldn't say 1,000 miles because I do understand. Yeah, when did you first started this journey, and what maybe was your expectation as a beginner?
Okay, basically one thing that beginners do in this field of market. Yeah, first of all, let me answer your first question. I started trading back in 2019. That is it. 2019. That's when I knew about forex trading. So I went up buying some signals in Telegram account, but later on I found out they were not working. So
after a while, after trying them,
several times, blowing accounts several times. Yeah. So at my own expectation, I thought this is by you get in, get rich quick, get out of the market. But
the Lambos,
the Lambos, the Ferrari, the Range Rovers. Yeah, but in real sense, this is the journey by itself. So it should be taken easy and slowly.
Yeah.
And like any other field.
So it means like right now you are like 4 years in.
Yeah.
Since it's from 2019.
Yeah.
Oh, and
2019.
3.5. Let's say 4.
4 years, yeah. 4 years.
Poleni, mathematics kidogo nilala daro. So pengine unaweza tuambia what are the challenges that the newbies, the beginners normally face at the time that they are joining this journey? Okay. What are the main challenges that you guys face?
Okay, speaking of the mentality of a beginner, one thing that I can say is that you know, like when you are new after you're done with school, that is it, high school here in Kenya. Yeah. So you wanna be like, you wanna flex, you wanna get to the parties, you wanna get money, even in campus, you wanna get money to flows on Fridays. But what's part about not girls, every youth is that money is insufficient. So you pop in the market, your expectations so high that you want to get money so that you can be bashing on every weekend. But in the real sense,
are you making money?
Are you making money?
Well, it's a long story.
It's a long story. Yeah, that's a big story. You end up blowing several accounts. You end up being depressed. Maybe you use your school fees in this field. Yeah, you end up spending your help loan in this field. Wow. But if you didn't give up, the fruits are awesome. Yeah, but for those who quit, if it was your call, then you have to go back and work it out.
Okay, so majorly you've said that one of the biggest challenge is capital, is financing.
Yeah, financing. Financing is one. Two, your greediness. Yeah, those two.
Finance and greed.
Yeah.
So how does greed apply?
Greed apply where? Let's say you have you want, yeah, you have like, okay, how will I explain it? The end of, you have limitation of time. You want to achieve a certain goal in a certain period of time. So that keeps you on toes. You have pressure. You want to make big bag.
Yeah.
You want to tell me the big boys.
Because people out there know that you are trading, so they expect that you'll be having that money in your pocket. The bag umesha secure.
Yeah. That is the worst part.
Okay.
Yeah. So greed tempts you to overtrade, over leverage. You end up losing all your money.
So what I'll say is that I'm actually proud of you. I'm actually proud of your growth. Na pia I do understand that you passed an MFF. Yeah, it's an MFF. It's a prop firm challenge.
True.
Yeah, it's you passed them and you were funded.
Yeah.
So kuna watu wengi huku nje. There are so many people out here who don't know anything about the prop firms and they would like to know about them. So how will you explain a prop firm? What is a prop firm to someone like mwenye hajawahi jua ama mwenye hajaisikia about prop firms?
Okay, a prop firm is a trusted, like let me say, it's a company by itself, a trusted funded company. Yeah, they put their money with those firms. They trust them. Then those firms trade it for them and give them a certain percentage.
Okay.
So how does it come to us traders now? We like the second party.
Yeah.
So the prop firm, they give you like they test you, your capability, your ability to trade, our consistency and profitable. So these guys, you just pay them a few dollars, just a few money, and they give you a bigger exposure, a bigger picture of how you can improve yourself financially too. So it's a win-win situation.
Okay.
Yeah.
So guys, najua hapa hivi brokerage firm brokerage company, they will run after me because hii ni kuharibia biashara, but you know we are not sponsored by any broker, so sisi tunawaletea like the secret behind the forex industry. So basically umenielezea kwamba that's the difference between could trade on prop firm and could trade normally, si ndio?
There's a different.
Yeah.
Okay, normally, you know, like let's say now, for example, we have teenagers. Okay, even your parent can't even give you 100, let's say $1,000 because what are you going to do with it? You see? Yeah, maximum you can be given with your parent unless they're ballers. It's 50,000. That is Kenyan shillings. That is 500 USD.
Yeah.
If I put it in terms of $100, like 100 shillings, you know. So it's hard. It's complicated. Even your own mother or your own person, you know.
And then you know,
trust you with a lot of money. But Profirm, they give you big exposure. Like I did MFF. You know, they gave me. I started with a 5,000 account. That is 500,000 Kenyan money.
Yeah. Actually, guys, to prove that Eric was funded, we are going to upload a screenshot of the funding process and the email that he was sent to him and how he got. Nitaiweka tu somewhere around here so that to prove like hii story ya jaba. And so ningetaka kujua pia how does the evaluation work? Before they fund you, how do they evaluate you, the prop firms?
Okay, the prop firm, they have their own limits. They have their own set of rules, whereby by any chance if you omit them, you are being disqualified. So that's where your seriousness, you bring
discipline.
Discipline. That is where it
your risk management.
Your risk management, it's tested there. So the prop firm have 8%, 5%. That is it. That's 8% phase 1. You have to get 8% in order to pass phase 1. 5% is phase 2. So phase 2, they actually look for your consistency, not about getting the bag. You can get the 5% even within a day, but they are not interested with you getting the 5%. They're interested with your consistency.
So they give you with the process.
Yeah. So they give you a limit of 5 days, a minimum of 5 days. You have to be in the market for 5 trading days. You see, and that is, you have been given like 2 months in order to pass phase 2 challenge. Phase 1 is 1 month. So you see, that is enough duration of time to show that you are consistent.
You're capable.
Yeah, you're capable. You have discipline and whatever.
That's nice. And so, okay, naelewa kwamba in this business, risk management is something very crucial.
True.
It's something that is very crucial.
True.
So, how do you manage your risk when you are trading with the prop firm? While how do you manage your risk when you are trading alone, like on your own raw account?
Okay, my risk management. Speaking of
how do the the prop firm? How is their risk management like? And when you trade your own account, risk management yako inakuangaje ama ziko different?
Okay. They are different. That's one thing for sure. They are different. So you see, on the prop firm, you have to be like, you're not supposed to go a drawdown of 5%. That is a equity, let's say 5,000 account. You're not supposed to get like 250. That is 5%.
That's 5%.
Yeah, that's 5%. So my trading rate range will be around. I'll use let's say 0.1, 0.2. That's if I go down. That is 30 pips. You see, I'll be losing 60 USD. So I take one trade per day. That's my risk management with prop firm. One trade per day.
One trade is
done. If I'll be profitable, okay. If I won't be profitable, there's another day.
What if you took that trade and it goes on a loss? How do you handle that?
Okay, in every business, funny thing about forex traders, they be like, they treat forex like their wives. They treat forex like you wanna avenge. You wanna get the bigger result. That's where we all traders have been there too. You see, that's where we go wrong. Forex is a business like any other business. There's losing, there's making money. But the beauty of forex is that making money is a bigger picture.
It's the end goal.
Yeah. So even if people are millionaires, it doesn't mean they don't make losses. I too myself I make losses, but I'm not there. I'm not a millionaire.
Okay. Lakini tutafika, sio? Niko na imani tutafika. Yeah. So from the way you have said, now it's like forex is like a mind game. And pia ni kama there is a psychology behind forex.
Okay.
And there is psychology behind trading.
The thing about forex, forex ain't just any other field in the society. Forex is a global thing.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a thing that any youth there out there, if he applies it, can be able to make a lot of money. But forex shapes you, despite the field of market, like you have to be disciplined personality. Yeah, you have to be disciplined. If you're a boy, you have to go to the gym. That is your discipline. You have to be disciplined out there in order whenever you are in the charts, you can be disciplined. If you're not disciplined out there, forget being disciplined on the charts. That's it.
So inamaanisha kwamba forex inatoa like your character, your personality inaitoa. Because maybe if you are in discipline, the market will prove that you're in discipline.
100%.
If you are greed, the market itakuonesha kweli where you are greedy. If you are impatient, it will prove.
True.
Okay, so actually I'm really enjoying the conversation. I'm really enjoying the interview. But before we conclude, because I don't want to ikue refu sana. Before we conclude, please highlight what are the common mistakes that new traders or other traders should be aware of. The common mistake that really they apply in the market. Okay,
the common mistake that it cuts in all traders. You be a bigger trader or a beginner. There's something called overconfidence in the market.
Yeah. Being overconfident, yani kuona kwamba wewe ndio kusema.
Yeah, there's a certain point where you reach in the market, and then you see yourself, you're the OG, you're the king. My dear,
you call the market.
Yeah, let me tell you something. Whenever you see yourself at that point, please just relax. Yeah, don't see yourself like the king. Yeah, no one is the king of the market.
Yeah.
Because if that seeing yourself with the overconfidence will lead you to make some decision that will later on consume you. Yeah, I've been there. I know. Okay. I've blown accounts.
Actually, I'm coming. I'll be coming to there. Acha niulize swali. Did your first what happened to your first account that you funded? What happened to it?
Okay, my first time to enter the market. I told you.
And how much did you fund? Please, tuambie tu ndio tujue.
Listen to me. Yes. Yeah, so ndawambia what happened. nilifanya job tu, normal job, kazi venye wafanya tuko cyber, nikapata salo. We were 3 boys. I am Marwan and Nasir. Now we had the people they called Easy Pips. That's where we bought our signal from. It was an NFP. Yes, it was on a Friday. So we went. We bought that signal. That was.
But you guys didn't know that it was an event, or you didn't know. You knew it was an NFP day.
And we wanted to kill the market. So what did we do? We deposited the
money.
The money there. Like I came with 5,000. My friend 5,000. Another person 5,000. It was 15,000. We both signal that is 5,000. The 10,000 remaining, convert Kenyan money into euro to dollar. It reduces. So we deposited 8 USD.
Okay.
And funny thing, we used 0.1 lot sell. we bought it was ZBP USD. I cannot forget that.
You'll never forget that.
I saw the market blowing our money like pop
in a second,
and that was over. Hey, I felt that was my first heartbroken. Wow, it was painful. I was asking for 1 month to get money, only to consume it in a matter of seconds.
Like yourself. So guys, Beskia, do not use your rent money. Do not use your salary. Please, shopping yako, fanya shopping yako, bro. We cooler. So.
By the way, in forex market, just set aside the money that you don't want to use. That is the one that you're going to use it in the market. In order it goes other way south, things go south, you're okay. Isikurambe mse, kinaramba nanga huku.
So Ricky, as we conclude, there is someone out there.
Yeah.
Who has never heard of trading, ajui trading ni nini, and pengine angetaka kuanza.
Yeah.
So what will be your advice to them? What ungewaambia nini?
Okay. My advice to you new beginners who want to trade, my advice to you is this. Okay, trade is just a field like any other field, but it's the best field ever. They told us education is the key to success, but trading forex is the key to financial freedom. So as you get there, you spend your almost like your 4 years, that is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 years plus without getting enough money. You spend it in order to get education. Yes. So whenever you come to this field of financial freedom, it's something to deal with your forever life.
Okay.
Yeah. So take things easy, take your time, read, understand, process, work out.
And then they do the demo. They practice on demo.
Practice on demo, true.
Yeah, before you fund you practice.
You fund your account, you practice on demo. Yeah. You see yourself, give yourself time like 3 months, see your consistency, profitability. Do the documentation.
You document your trail.
Your trading. Yeah. That's how you see your growth as a new trader.
Yeah. So one thing I've learned from you, from the advice that you've given us, is that if kama ina costume to 7 years to become a doctor, 6 years to become an engineer, 4 years to become an accountant, why do you want to be a trader in 3 months or 4 months?
Or 1 year. Okay, that's a
Kitakuramba.
Mimi nikiingia kwa market mambo serious, nilikuwa nimepanga nitaomoka by 2020.
Nilikuwa umejiwekea time yako tena.
Yeah, nilikuwa najua 2020 mimi and huyo na flaws na
lakini kuna time ya God.
But God saving the best. And then another thing, like get the information about trading. Trading is a big thing. Yeah, it's a big thing. You have to get there's no other way. No shortcuts. It's a long way, but it's a better way, more than the modern rate of this GDP. Yeah. Forex is worthy. It's all taking it.
Thank you. So Ricky, I do appreciate vile umeturn up, and let me conclude by saying, you guys know it's your boy Top Trader Kenya, and I'll bring to you the best in the industry, the best in the business, so that maybe we can have a chat, so that because kuna mtu mahali amekuwa motivated with this interview, na kuna mtu mahali maybe ndo ana plan kuanza, so don't feel discouraged. Take the first step. As long as you can see the first step, just take the first step. You don't need to see yourself 1,000 miles from now, but if you're seeing the first step, take it.
Can I add something?
Yes, sure.
Before you conclude, okay, about the prop farm, guys, like let me tell you that prop farm is the best way you can do if you have been trading for, let's say, 2 years, and you don't see your profitability being awesome, there's something about yourself that is up with your psychology. Only prop firm can be able to take you out of that place. Yeah. So I'll urge you, go get funded in the prop firm. Just trade. Losing that 50 USD, losing that 100 USD, it's nothing compared to your future. Yeah, it will teach you how to be disciplined better. When you withdraw your first money, you'll get to get the big money. You'll get the big money. So it's awesome trading with prop firm. Yeah, I'll urge you guys, those who are 2 years plus in this market and they don't see their way forward, it's all about the psychology. Your psychology is fucked up. You have to get the prop firm. It will help you. That's all that I can add.
So guys, umesikia, the losses that you're making, don't count it as a loss. Wechukua kama the lesson that you've paid for. Yeah, so guys, before I conclude, poleni sana. Before I conclude, nimekuwa na conclusions vingi. Ricky, tunaweza kupata wapi? Tunaweza kupata aje? And do you do mentorship, something of the sort? Na pia tuelezee tunaweza kupata vipi na how can other traders contact you?
Okay, for now, it's good to be honest. Yeah, for now, actually I had a group in Telegram that is called MG Trade Exclusive, but where I actually discuss with a lot of people there. Yeah, and actually I have my MG traders. But what I can tell you guys right now, I'm not there. So I'm holding things, so at least I can be able to get the real things, like, yeah, that's when I'll expose myself. But for now, I don't want to be exposed that much. So I'm in.
So there's
when the time comes.
So there's part 2.
Yeah, there's part 2.
There's part 2.
Yeah, there's part 2.
So we hope next time tukikuinvite pia utakuja. Utakuja vile umeshow up leo pia. And please guys, on the comment below the name of the trader that you'd like me to interview next. It doesn't matter whether he's a big trader or a small trader, successful or maybe when you're still in the process. We get to learn from each other. We get to learn from each other's mistake na pia tuna push. So without much further ado, it's your boy Top Trader Kenya signing out. Thank you very much.